That's right. We are out on the streets and we are looking for strangers walking along, offering them rides to wherever they may need to go. In fact, I see somebody who qualifies right up here. Let's pull over and let's see what's going on. Hey man, you need a lift? I can give you a ride if you need to go somewhere.
I need to go to Switchyard.
Yeah, hop on in, brother. I'll help you out.
What's up with the camera?
Well, you never know when we're going to have a big, historic moment, You comfy?
Yeah, I'm alright.
I'm Zook.
I'm Joseph.
Joseph, right on, Joseph. You from around here, or?
Yeah, I'm just out and about today. Take a left here.
Yeah, I go rollerblading down here once in a while.
That's awesome. I love rollerblading.
Well, are you living on the streets? Or are you kind of in between, or what do you got going
on? Just a little bit of both. Can't decide if I want to stay with my sister or be out here with the actual family.
Well, you and your sister have a hard time getting along, or?
Yeah. I'm turning right here. My goodness, the door handles are broke.
Yeah, you can. It's just reach outside there. I was just at that junkyard trying to get a new door handle, as a matter of fact. They said they should be able to come up with one.
Heck yeah.
The problem is you can't get that on like aftermarket because it's it's obscure. This is actually a Korean car. These Hyundais. So you got a place to sleep at night? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sleeping out when it's freezing? I
No,
know.
I've been inside for the past damn near through the winter.
Because you can go over to Wheeler Mission, you know where I'm talking about?
Yeah, Wheeler Mission, and then I can go up to friend's place and stuff.
Okay, because it's gonna get cold again, and it's just too,
Yeah, I heard about that.
It's just too cold to be staying outside. It gets dangerous, and we don't. There's plenty of places and everything, and
yeah,
I guess you can even get a decent meal over there at the Mission. So
yeah, you can't go to Wheeler Mission until like I don't know, 5, 6 o'clock or whatever time you gotta be in. But up here at friend's place, they'll give you one pass to go out, and you just gotta be back by 11.
Is that on Rogers?
Yeah, it's just right up there. I'm turning left here.
Alrighty. Yeah, because there's a lot of resources that some people know about and some people don't. Have you been to the soup kitchen over here?
Yeah, I go there every day.
Yeah, they
got some pretty good meals.
Do you happen to know Richie? He's an older guy. He's real gregarious.
Yep.
He had a place over there on Southern.
I know Richie, but I don't know where he stays.
Have you seen him lately? I'm kind of worried about him because I used to see him all the time, and usually when somebody disappears, it's usually not a good sign.
Richie. I don't know.
Yeah, he's got a raspy voice and he's kind of funny. He usually has his wits about him. It's not like he doesn't seem to be real screwed up on drugs or anything. So I was just kind of wondering, because he had one of those. You can get like a place through the Monroe County like housing authority too.
Yeah, you get Section 8.
Yeah,
they got a waiting list right now.
Are you on the list?
Yeah.
Okay, well you gotta stay on it. You gotta go to your appointments and everything. So there's a lot of help and everything. And
so do you like YouTube and stuff?
Yeah. So it's obviously right here.
Yeah.
You ever been in the warehouse there?
Yep, I like the warehouse.
They've got those big ramps. I was roller skating on those ramps. I got too fat over the winter. I'm like the old fat guy on rollerblades. So
yeah, rollerblading's pretty fun.
Yeah. All right. Oh, I'm not even interrupt.
I used to go like on weekends and stuff with a lot of friends. Get out and I don't know, rollerblade from 9 to 11, I think is what it is.
Alrighty. Well, hey, if you see me out on the street, give me a wave. You want a Diet Pepsi for the road? You thirsty?
Sure.
Give me a wave, and there you go. And I'll give you a lift, and flag me down if I can help you. I will, man. Okay?
What is my water bottle? Oh wait, no, it's in there. All right,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. See you later. Take care.
You
Well, you seem to be doing okay. Ding, ding. Hey, man, you need a lift?
No, thank you, though.
It looks like you got a heavy load there.
It's lighter than it looks.
All right, keep rocking. Hey, man, you need a ride somewhere?
No, I'm all right.
I can give you a lift. It's free.
I appreciate it. Thanks, man.
All right. Ding, ding. Keep rocking. Hey, man, you need a ride? You need a ride? I can give you a lift if you need to get somewhere. It's free.
No, I'm good.
Okay. All right. You have a good day. See ya.